Hello, my name is Wendy Bounds, and I'm a boiler room junkie. It used to be the room I hated, all those icky fumes and ugly equipment. But then I upgraded the washer and dryer, and next that energy-guzzling boiler. And as my fuel bills fell, my obsession, well, it grew. Take heed, it could happen to you. Here are 6 signs you may be suffering from a similar affliction. Number 1, you think clever cocktail conversation means regaling guests about your energy savings. So it's got this energy recovery system that circulates water to the last zone that called for it. Isn't that amazing? Number 2, you watch your power meter like a hawk. Number 3, you find the musical tones of your dryer oddly soothing.
Where do I download that to my iPod?
Number 4, you'll risk injury or death to keep solar hot water panels clear of snow. Number 5, you match carpet and art to boiler room equipment. Do these yellows clash? And number 6, you toss and turn at night dreaming of appliances that might be better looking or more efficient than your own. If you are experiencing one or more of these symptoms, you may have a problem. Acknowledgement is the first step toward healing. But beyond that, there's the advice my friend Walter gave me.
Get a life!
He's just jealous. For the Wall Street Journal, I'm Wendy Bounds.